Hey, what up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Tuck Notes, Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tucker, and we'll be talking about Tesla stock. I've got some more news coming up that's came up, so it's nice to hear this before Monday. So coming up is what to expect for this week. We have massive catalysts, the potential discount, technical analysis this week, specifically about this week, and what to look out for Tesla stock price this week. So on Friday, it closed at $1,014.79. It over the week it had a 6%. It went down 6%, which was like $90 roughly, I believe. And Elon Musk, remember how I had mentioned in previous videos how I said he was selling, or he had shares to sell off. Well, apparently last week he started selling off his shares. And so that's kind of what we saw last week. And also is what we saw is this transition of money moving. And that was people that had money or high investors that were invested in high growth stocks now are moving into like companies that pay dividends like AT&T and Verizon. So there was a bump up in that sector. And so every day we're getting more and more cases each day of this new variant. And as we're seasoned COVIDites, we kind of can know what to expect, in the worst case scenario. But the variant is in now 15 states, which is kind of gnarly. And there are some lockdowns in Germany for people who do not have the vaccine. And the president is mainly focused on getting people vaccinated. That's the answer that he's saying. That's what he's saying. And for, maybe some people need to get booster shots, but no lockdowns. People are saying, in general, also people are saying in general that we could see like a more dip or more of a crash going, or I don't know what you want to call it, but money going down, or stock market, crypto going down. And that's coming from most social media sites. And there's a potential increase in interest rates coming soon for next year. And the unemployment report was 4%. I don't know anything about the reports or anything, but that is relatively okay to give us an idea. So there's a lot of uncertainty in the stock market, as we can see. And for this week, we have the massive catalyst of 12/9, the mysterious 12/9, what's going to happen. And is there going to be an announcement for this stock split? Is it going to be, remember in the previous video about opening for the two different factories, the factory in Germany and the factory in Texas. Those are all stimulators for people and the stock going up. And there's been some changes in the Tesla Cybertruck. They went from a 3-motor engine, or whatever it's called, to a 4-motor that's 4-wheel steering. I don't know what that means. And it gets into crab mode, which is probably like a different shape or something. Predictions of the stock sitting at $1,000 is our support line, as we've been talking about, and Tesla's had 2 times where it's hit the $1,000, and then on Friday it hit it and at $1,000.12, but it didn't break through. So we could see and expect a potential gap, you know, coming up between getting filled between $950 and $900. And so this is part of what I think Elon's selling off his shares. You know, if you see a black swan event, that's Elon probably throwing off a lot of money in Tesla, throwing it, selling it. So the Tesla stock has been outperforming all other high growth stocks as they're all struggling. And Elon is constantly selling his shares. Last week, he sold $1 billion worth of his shares. So that puts pressure, produces selling pressure on me and a lot of other people. Well, I don't have it yet, but other investors. So it's a massive opportunity to get in on this. And another catalyst that will be that is also a way to not have to pay taxes or not have to pay as much is doing a this year's tax loss harvest season. So you might see some more losses due to that in the overall stock market. So this is like a massive gift, you know, $950 to $900 for Tesla, and then we're gonna get a split possibly. I heard of 5 shares. So that's a better deal than it was 2 years ago. So if we get a message from the president saying that we're going to have a lockdown, that could put more selling pressure on the stock market and investors too. So it wouldn't be surprised to see this get pushed down more. So anyways, I forgot to say, if you could subscribe to my videos, so if you like these videos, please subscribe to these videos to Tuck Nuts on YouTube and on Instagram at Tucker Amello. I put a lot of things about Elon Musk on my Instagram dailies, so I would check them out if I were you. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great night. Peace out.